in practice, we let go of these destructive ideas that somehow we just need to muscle up on our experience, tighten down. When we feel that contraction in our body, we know we're caught. Perfect. Because this is a catch and release, right? It's like cling and release, you could say. I find myself contracting around an idea, or even an emotion, or maybe a fear or a doubt. And I know I'm hooked. And it's like, okay, now that you're hooked, what do I have to let go of in order to be free? What belief is sponsoring this suffering, this difficulty that I'm ensnared in? Maybe I don't think it should be this way. Maybe I think it should be some other way. This is very well like the foundation of the difficulties that I'm experiencing. So I try to erode the belief. I try to put most of my attention on that inquiry. What belief is sponsoring this difficulty? Yeah.